Want to be a freelancer, you do not wait for chances. You create opportunities. Si NC Lucky daw dito, open siya sa part-time IT tech support yung experience niya. If I am in your position, ang unang-una kong gagawin again is I will identify anong service yung kaya kong i-provide. Since you have experience sa IT tech support, ang una mong gawin is tumambay ka dun sa mga kung saan tumatambay yung mga possible clients mo. Let's say for example, ang pinaka-accessible ngayon ay mga Facebook groups. Ito yung tinatawag natin na problem discovery, where, when, and how your potential customers learn that they might have a need with what you do. Similarly, gagamitin mo na rin itong mga channel na to, halimbawa mga Facebook group, for you to expose your potential customers dun sa services na ino-offer mo as a freelancer. How are you going to do that? Ipapakita mo that you know what you're doing. Ito yung kung ikaw yung nando sa situation nila na may ganong business at ito yung problema, ito yung solution na magandang gawin. One thing that you guys need to remember is that these customers or potential customers, itong mga clients na to, mga possible clients natin, wala na silang time to execute. And since ikaw ang nagbigay ng ganong possible solution, there's a high probability that they will reach out to you and ask if you can execute. This is also the same way that you will get your direct clients. And kung nagsisimula pa lang kayo as aspiring freelancers, virtual assistants, my recommendation is you go to Upwork, Online Jobs, LinkedIn, do your research, try nyo mag-apply, or if talagang medyo tamad kayo, try nyo mag-apply sa mga VA agencies at sila maghahanap ng client para sa inyo. Now, if what you are lacking is strategy or you're really not able to identify ano nga ba yung bagay na service para sa'yo, this is where mentorship program comes into play. What are we do sa mga mentorship classes namin is we will guide you kung ano nga ba yung potential na meron ka, we'll help you discover ano yung mga transferable skills mo, and we will also show you how to find clients ng iba't ibang paraan. If you guys are interested, we actually have a class that's called Top VIP All Access Pass. That's a 1-year all access pass sa lahat ng classes namin and 1,999 pesos lang siya. Through Top VIP, you'd be able to see kung ano nga ba yung mga services na ino-offer as a freelancer. And then at the same time, matututo ka doon sa mga tao na yun talaga yung ginagawa nila as freelancers. So you'd be able to get a strategy or two para may apply mo sa sarili mong journey as a freelancer. Now, if you guys want to join the Top VIP All Access Pass, click nyo lang itong link sa bio ko or if nasa ibang platform kayo, i-check nyo na lang yung caption, it will open the GigHub. Sa GigHub, andito kompleto to ng free at paid guides kung gusto ninyo matuto mag-work from home. But for today, I want to show you under live mentorship, i-click nyo lang to 1999 Top VIP All Access Pass and it will open the form para makapag-enroll kayo. Hope this helps. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!